Creating quality learning content takes weeks while deadlines keep moving. Yet every student gets the same material, despite learning differently. Most LMS platforms store student data on external clouds outside institutional control. AI Campus is an AI-native learning platform built into every interaction. Upload your syllabus, textbooks and notes. Start with what you already have. AI Campus understands and structures your curriculum automatically. Study guides, question banks, assessments, FAQs and audio generated instantly. What took weeks now takes hours, so faculty can focus on teaching. Real-time insights show progress, gaps, and where support is needed. Designed for India, aligned with NEP 2020 and accreditation needs. Deploy on campus or private cloud, your data stays with you. Learn in Hindi and 15+ regional languages. Built by Atquality, India's privacy-first AI company. Bring your syllabus. See AI Campus in action.